Hello people, this is a quick video on how to use a car vent and duct cleaner to get rid of the AC smell. This is a Kangaroo brand AC foam cleaner that I have bought. It comes with its own pipe. This end of the pipe has small holes, and here you can see how I connect it. So I will connect it one end of the pipe to the nozzle and the other end goes into the AC vent. Please insert the nozzle all the way into the AC vent and start spraying the foam liberally all the way while you're pulling the cord outside. Now repeat the same process in the other vents also. One can would be sufficient for one use for all the 4 vents in the car. And then let the foam settle and work in cleaning. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Now switch on the car and then switch on your blower at maximum speed. Have a piece of cloth to wipe the foam as it comes out of the vents. Please ensure you wear a mask while you're doing this. This process takes easily about 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's all done, you can wipe off the floor and the seats as well, and the smell from your AC vent is gone. Now this will ideally last for at least a few months, 2 to 3 months, and then you have to repeat the same task.